This video is to show you how to make a quick $500 with pay-per-call affiliate marketing using Facebook Marketplace. Yes, I said it and I mean it. Facebook Marketplace, you will make money. You don't have money to spend on ads, it's fine. So let me show you very quick. I will not let you lose your time. You see, that is $500 for $40. Just I make this in 2 days using these techniques, and that just to make low amount of money. If you want to make more money, like thousands of dollars with pay-per-call, I have a training. I have a coaching 101 for Google Ads, but today just free method I'm gonna show you. This is the product that I will show you. You can promote. I have several like this product I'm promoting. That is a new one. I didn't join this one yet, but I have other similar product that I'm promoting in Market Call. Let me show you. That is a HVAC service, which is air conditioning installation services. You can see this is this type of service. People are looking for this type of service, so you will be providing people with this service by making people call in a phone number. If they call, and you will make $30 for every person that call. So everyone that pick up the phone and call, you will make this amount. So let me refresh for you so you don't see I'm faking. This $540 is clearly legit. You can see it's right here. I just refresh for you. Let me just refresh one more time before I show you the important part. And please guys, smash this like button, break it so YouTube can share this video to more people. Let me just show you very quick. I just refresh one more time. You can see the amount still intact after refreshing. So let me just show you what is the condition for this offer. So they say the definition of a qualified call seeking HVAC air conditioning services. Additionally, the caller is within the zip list provided, and that caller zip matches either the gathered zip through on IVR setup and the campaign, or automatically gathered through Wingbar integrated user profile. So what they mean here, they mean you have to follow the guideline of the offer, and the caller that's supposed to go, the person that gonna call, supposed to be in the zip code specified by the offer. So you can see all type of method you can use to generate these $30 you see right here. This is what I like with this. It's very interesting. Let me show you. You see this $30, you don't have to worry about using pay ads. You see, you can use one of these methods, SEO, like using search engine optimization. Just use your page or your website. You can use social media like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm gonna show you all these methods. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. Paid search, SMS, email, organic mean people just randomly come to your post and take an action on it. So contextual, native, like native ad, proper push, Facebook Marketplace. This is the part that is very interesting. So you can use Facebook Marketplace to promote this offer. So what you will have to do, let's go to Facebook and show you how other people are crushing it right now. They are making a lot of money using these techniques, and if you use them and follow them, you're gonna make money as well. So here you're gonna go to Facebook Marketplace, to the marketplace of Facebook. When you're on the marketplace of Facebook, I'm gonna show you clearly what to do. And if you follow along with me, by the way, don't forget, smash the like button, because this channel show you how to make money every single day. If you want to make money, this is the time to follow people that make it and can help you make it too. So here I just type HVAC services. HVAC services. This is the product that I'm promoting, and I just make search. When I click on search, you can see they are very smart. These people who post these, you see, they just post $1 central AC. You see, central AC. They don't say it is a service. They just put $1 central AC. So when they're gonna talk to you, they're gonna send you text, gonna say, hey, I see you have service like central AC, and how can I have an idea about the service? You just send the phone number that the offer gonna give you. The offer gonna give you a phone number, and you're gonna use this phone number to send to anyone that message you. So anytime they grab the phone and call, you make $30. As simple as it is. You can see easy money. So this is a second example. This guy, you see, if you can see, they just take random picture related to condenser unit, like related to HVAC services, installation, things like that. So you just post like them. You just post this service like them, like people want to call to make like to just put air conditioning and